How to change Spotify playlist picture. So click on the Spotify and open now and choose your playlist like this. Click on the song and settings options like this, setting and privacy and playback, and select song and click on the add to playlist like this and done, and add to playlist and done now. A new playlist and create now. Okay, and click on the three lines and click on the three lines and edit playlist and click on the image and change cover image and take photo and choose photo. So choose now and like this photo telegram and use photo now, and your playlist photo is successfully changed. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.